Minimum range against naval targets, 12,000 meters. Maximum range, 17,000 meters. Maximum range against air targets, 7,000 meters. Number of parts, 22,000. Number of mechanical sets, 30 sets. Firepower, 120 rounds per minute. Preparation time for firing, 4 seconds. Objectives, surface, aerial. Caliber, 76 mm, average. Fajr 27 naval cannon is a modern defensive weapon capable of destroying surface and air targets, used today as the primary weapon of most heavy and semi-heavy vessels of the Navy of the Islamic Republic of Iran's army. The system was publicly unveiled for the first time in September 2006. Fajr 27 naval cannon is a modern defensive weapon capable of destroying surface and air targets. The specialists of Hadid Industrial Group, affiliated with the defense industry, succeeded in building it after a 6-year effort. This cannon is a fully automatic weapon that is electro-hydraulically driven. The Fajr 27 cannon can collide with a variety of surface vessels and can also be used against air targets. The Fajr 27 naval artillery system is installed and used today as the primary weapon of most heavy and semi-heavy vessels of the Navy of the Islamic Republic Army. The Fajr 27 naval cannon uses 76 mm caliber bullets with 120 rounds per minute. Extremely high firing rate, fully automatic control and the ability to install on towed systems are other advantages of this cannon. This powerful weapon is a dual-purpose cannon. In addition to targeting ships, submarines, speedboats, and surface-to-surface missiles, it also destroys helicopters and anti-ship missiles and air targets up to 23,000 feet, equivalent to about 7,000 meters. This weapon can react quickly and repel any surface and air attack with its highly advanced technology. In a naval conflict scenario, the cannon can be used when two vessels collide or when a low-flying target, such as a helicopter, is in the area of operation. But when there are threats such as cruise missiles or supersonic fighters, this cannon will not work with this type of ammunition. The maximum range of 17 kilometers, 12 kilometers against surface targets, and 7 kilometers against air targets are among the capabilities of Fajr 27. Fajr 27, with advanced technologies, has 30 mechanical sets and 22,000 pieces, and preparation time of 4 seconds, and the ability to operate in all weather conditions with automatic guidance by the radar system. An optical targeting system has also been observed for this cannon in Shahid Nagdi ship, which is very useful in the case of electronic warfare. The speed and action of the artillery are very suitable with their caliber and provide a reasonable defense for ranges under 10 kilometers. So far, the main bullets used for the Fajr 27 cannon are of the contact fuse type. Shots with fuse contact are based on direct impact and must be fired at the target after being targeted optically or radar and exploded after being hit directly. To address this shortcoming, proximity fuse for 76 mm cannons was unveiled during a recent exhibition of military achievements. These fuses are tiny sensors mounted on the target bullets and start working after firing. The transmission radius for these sensors is 4 meters, and it operates in the VHF band. If a fuse is used, it is unnecessary to hit a target directly, such as an airplane or a cruise missile, and getting close to it is sufficient. Upon reaching the desired distance, the explosion command is issued, and with the explosion of the cannonball, the blast wave and its fragments are released towards the target. Proximity fuses significantly increase the chances of a successful collision with targets such as cruise missiles and high-speed fighters. Due to the advantages of the proximity fuse in defense and offensive, these fuses can play an essential role in improving the combat capability of artillery units and various cannons, especially the Fajr 27 naval cannon. Iran's regional naval doctrine rests mainly on ultra-fast speedboats and anti-ship cruise missiles. It is rooted in the Iran-Iraq War, in which Iranian forces executed frequent attacks on enemy forces in the Gulf using speedboats at low cost and with disproportionately positive results. Although various weapons systems would ultimately destroy these craft in a sustained engagement, the Iranian rationale is that only one boat need get through enemy defenses to cause significant financial damage in a kamikaze-style attack. According to some reports, Iran has between 3,000 and 5,000 speedboats that can be used to execute swarm attacks on larger ships, such as aircraft carriers. Iran has been perfecting such attacks, in which up to 100 armed speedboats approach an enemy warship from all directions. Surprise, confusion and speed are essential to their effectiveness, and the confined space of the Strait of Hormuz, which is only about 32 kilometers across at its narrowest point, increases the probability of a successful swarm attack. Iran has also emphasized the importance of anti-ship cruise missiles to deterrence in the Persian Gulf, developing short-range ones that can be launched from a variety of naval platforms, including speedboats, to target enemy warships. Sea mines too figure in Iran's naval strategy, especially in the Strait of Hormuz, as cost-effective tools. In particular, Iran can employ real mines along with thousands of fake ones, making it very difficult for minesweepers to neutralize the threat and decreasing the pace at which enemy naval forces can mobilize.